Shall we start the interview? How important WPP for you?
Yeah, because the WordPress photo, of course, is the most reputable and popular photo contest in the world, you know. And obviously, it's an opportunity for me, I think, that to show the reality of the forgotten conflict, you know, because about what's happening in Iraq, in the media is not really, you know, very interested in that, you know. It's only few news. The story is crazy because it's a people that they want change because they are own people and for them they don't have future because you know the corruption and the situation in his country now is very very bad and of course it's inhuman to see what humans are capable of doing, but I think that is a crazy story because I tell you it's not really impacting the Western media. So for me, it was stunning to see that it's not nobody one story, you know.
Esas tiendas de campaña de ahí es lo que queda del califato de Estado Islámico.
Yes, actually, you survived several times under very tough situations.
Yeah, of course. You have a very bad situation, and maybe you are wounded, and maybe you are kidnapped. Of course, yeah. But I think that is the part of the work.
So do you have any tips?
No. I don't have any tips. No, I tell you, it's only the experience that you have and the feeling that you feel. You know that. But it's not a really, of course, when you cross, I don't know, a street, and maybe you have a sniper on the other side of the street, and you need to know that. But it's something that they give you the experience. But after that, you never know because it's not situation like that, like in your country, in my country, you know, that the normal things are normal. In the war zone, it's the problem that all is a chaos. So you don't know, you never know what is the next. I think that it's a very big thing that the lucky that you have when you're covering the war, you know, because I have a lot of people that the first time was dying. And I know another people that, I don't know, maybe they spent 20 years covering wars and nothing happened to them. You know, so I think that you need a lucky. Of course, you need experience because if you cannot go these places, if you don't have experience. But also, I think that the lucky is very, very important.
What does equipment mean to you and your photography?
Yeah, of course, it's the essential tool. You know, it's the camera is essential tool to take pictures. So for me, it's very important. You know, and the camera, it's I use it now. It's XT3, so the camera is amazing. You know, because it's a little, it's fast, it's a very good camera. Because before I was a big camera, so big camera is not good because it's heavy and also it's the people see you. You know that. With this camera, you can work, and it's very little camera. It's not heavy. It's strong. It's waterproof also. So it's amazing. Yeah.
Which one is your the favorite lens?
My favorite lens is 10-24. I use it only one. Yeah, for my covering my job. Yeah, only I use it this one. Yeah.
Incredible.
In the job that I have, you are very close of the people. You understand. You can speak with them. You can. It's different. If you use it a tele, maybe you are in 20 meters or something like that. So it's not the same relation that you have with the people. When you use it wide, all the time the people are close to you. So for the pictures are more strong, are more powerful like that for me.
So could you show me your camera bag?
So this is the back. You can see if the back is only like that. It's very little. So inside the back, you can see one camera. This is the X3, and you can see the safe camera. I don't know, just in case that the other are broken. I mean, this is very good. This one also. Eh? It's not fast like the other, and it's not, but it's good. It's very good to take pictures. You know. I use it sometimes. I use it this one sometimes to take someone. Yeah. I think that the most important thing in photojournalism when you work in zones like war zone is to spend the time with the people, you know, because when you spend time with people, they forget that you are a photographer and they accept you. The pictures are more really strong.
The industry of the photography is very tough now. How do you think this industry will go future?
Yeah, because the industry now are different, you know, because all the people have cameras now, have phones. So it's not like before that when you work like a photographer, but now it's very easy. You take the picture, you see in the screen, and after you correct the camera, you can change everything, you know, because it's very easy. So every person is a photographer in the world, you know. Anyway, I think that before the difference between the professional and the amateur was clear. No, it's very easy because you have a really good cameras that take the pictures for you. So I don't know how will be the future about that, you know.
As a award winner, so what do you have a message?
Yeah, of course. That you don't need a really big camera and you don't need a lot of lenses, you know, to do a job like a photojournalist. You know, you need all the time to become close of what happened in front of you. You know, this is the point for me of this is the essence of the photojournalist.
Thank you, Ricardo.
Thank you. You have everything.
Yeah, thank you for a long interview.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you. See you.
Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.